What's up, guys? It's Alex Xavier, the phone collector, and today we got a package from eBay. This is the iPhone 4 on iOS 5.0, and the model number is the A1332, which means this is a SIM model iPhone 4. So yeah, so the iPhone 4 on the model number the A1349 is the SIMless model. So yeah, this is the SIM model. So yeah, let's get right into unboxing. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna buy an iOS 6 iPhone 4 on iOS 6.0.1. Yeah, I have to cover the front because this one has an address. I'm gonna go throw this away, hold on. And yeah, let's go ahead and take off the tape. See what this note is about. Yeah, this guy's name is David. So yeah, the model number is the A1332, which means this iPhone is a SIM model. So yeah, the A1349 is the non-SIM model, but the A1332 is the SIM model. Yeah, there's a SIM model and a SIMless model. And yeah, here it is. This is what it looks like. Here's the SIM card slide. This basically means it's an A1332. Yeah, I was right. I'll be right back. I'll throw this away. It says, this is the Apple iPhone 4 for Wi-Fi only 32GB black model A1332 with iOS 5.0 K6M. Thanks again, David. So yeah, this seller's name is David. Nice. Oh yeah, the ceiling fan guy that I watch is also named David too. He's an older kid. Yeah, Albert Sanchez, the kid that filmed Fans, is also David. Albert Sanchez is also David's dad. So yeah. Alright, here we go. This is what it looks like. Looks pretty nice. Hold on. Looks in pretty good condition, but yeah, it has probably a few scuffs and minor in it. But yeah, let's turn it on. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. This is the best. Hold on. Here's what it looks like. It has a line. Yeah, I believe it has a line. There you go. Oh my god, this is like a rare iOS version of the iPhone. Is what it looks like. Looks like it's been reset. Somebody probably resetted this iPhone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like. So I'll be right back. I'm going to wipe it down. Alright guys, I'm back and I wiped it down. Alright, I'm not sure if I want to downgrade this one back to iOS 4. That'd be awesome. Here's what it looks like. I'm going to go to General. About something. iOS 5.0. It says it right here. Yep. And it's literally a 32GB iPhone. And whenever I slide the slide key, it's like the vibration key. This is what it sounds like. The vibration motor. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a quick unboxing. So yeah, it only came with the phone. So yeah, I also probably might charge it up. So yeah, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out any of my daily videos. And yeah, also this is only for Wi-Fi. So this one also AT&T no longer supports older iPhones or older Androids. So yeah. It only supports newer ones. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace.